say no to probate. So I recently learned, and I'm learning, that just because you have someone listed on your account as a user does not mean that they are also listed on your account as the beneficiary. There is a difference between a user and a beneficiary. So if you are listening to this video, I want you to write down every bank account you have, every retirement account you have. I want you to think all the way back to any account that you may have opened that you still have from the 60s, the 70s, the 80s, all the way to current. I want you to think about life insurance policies, annuities, brokerage accounts. List them all and begin today securing your wealth by making sure all of those accounts has an assigned beneficiary. Some banks and or accounts may call it POD, payable on death designation. Be certain to even specify the percentage that should be assigned to the beneficiary that you have on file. Because here's the thing, if you don't have a beneficiary listed on your account, then the person that you intended for the account or the assets or the resources or the money to go to, they're going to end up using your money or their money to pay probate court fees, to go through probate court, just to have access to what you intended to leave them in the first place. And not having a beneficiary listed often can lead to the family never being notified that these accounts ever existed, which means over time the account goes into an unclaimed status or an abandoned status, and it ends up going to the state. Make sure you secure your wealth and secure your assets by assigning a beneficiary, so your hard work and everything that you've accumulated doesn't get handed over to the state or being pushed through probate court, racking up tons of fees that should have never been paid out to probate court in the first place. If where these accounts are housed is local, walk into the bank, walk into these institutions, and make sure that you confirm if those accounts have beneficiaries that are listed, not users, but beneficiaries. If your account isn't local, you can always send them a secure message or simply just give them a call. It's time to plan today so we can protect tomorrow. Assign the beneficiaries, please, so we can say no to probate. As always, make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. Make sure that you share this with at least 10 people or more that you know. It's important to make sure that we are not just giving away our things simply because of a misunderstanding or a miscommunication or an assumption that adding a user to the account also means that they are also listed as a beneficiary on the account. The two may not always mean the same. I'll be dropping more videos like this every Wednesday. Always remember this, your mindset is the key to unlocking your financial freedom. It's time to leave behind what's comfortable for what's possible. All you have is now, so start now. See you next week.